BeReal is a social media app that is designed to provide a more authentic and honest online experience for users. The app allows users to create and share content with their friends and followers in a safe and supportive environment. When a user creates a new account on BeReal, they are asked to complete a brief questionnaire to help identify their interests and preferences. This information is used to customize their experience and help them connect with other users who share similar interests. Users can create posts, add photos and videos, and engage with other users through comments and reactions. The app also includes features such as a heart button for showing support and a hug button for sending virtual hugs to other users. To help promote a more positive and respectful online environment, BeReal includes a number of safeguards and features to prevent cyberbullying and other negative behavior. Users can report any inappropriate content or behavior, and the app's moderation team is available 24/7 to address any issues that arise. Overall, BeReal aims to provide a more honest and transparent social media experience, where users can feel comfortable being themselves and connecting with others who share their values and interests.